Before you eat that bread, watch this video to the end so you will know there are various ways you can try different recipes with bread. Hello sweet fingers lovers, welcome to my channel. It's your favorite girl again, Chef Basse. I'm a food blogger and I'm a food influencer in Lagos, Nigeria. And on today's episode, I'll be teaching you the easiest way to make a bread toast using just 4 ingredients. That's your bread spread, your milk, your bread itself, and egg. And these are all the ingredients you need. So get out a bigger bowl or a bigger plate and then break your egg inside. And after that, you want to start whisking your eggs until it becomes fluffy. After mixing it together, you just want to add your milk. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. It could be powdered milk mixed with water or evaporated milk. So after that, you just mix together. Then after mixing until it is combined, you're just going to soak in your bread inside just like this. We're going to try it again for you to see. So this is how it looks like. That's your soaked bread. So in the pan, we're just going to add our bread spread to it. But you feel free to use your butter. But for this video, I'm using bread spread. So I'm just going to spread it on top of my pan. Then I'm just going to add my bread to it just like this. And make sure your fire is on a low heat. You don't want to burn your bread, and this sits between 15 to 20 seconds. Then all I had to do was just to turn it until I get the consistency that I want. Then after another 15 minutes, I also turn this to the other side so it can get cooked properly. Then after 15 minutes, this is what we have. All I had to do was just to serve this. So at the end of the day, I served this with my scrambled egg. So let me know, my sweet fingers lovers, what you think about this recipe. Are you going to recreate this recipe? Do not forget to tag me when you do that. Do not forget to watch my other videos to learn how to make your easy and affordable recipe. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and I'll be seeing you in the next. Bye.